In this video, you will learn how to add or remove data point from Microsoft Excel graph. Currently, you can see here I have generated a simple bar graph and multiple bar graph using this set of data. Currently, you can see here I have generated this simple bar graph and it has data point from January to May. Later on, I have included another data points in this graph and result is in front of you. You can see here in this graph I have included data point from January to August, and I have included three data points which are the June, July and August. Similarly, here you can see here, firstly I have generated a multiple bar graph and it has data point from January to May. Later on I have included other data points that are June, July and August. You can easily add another data points in Microsoft Excel graph without generating new one. In addition, you will also learn how to remove data point from existing graph. So let's learn how to include or exclude data points from Microsoft Excel graph. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, I will generate two graphs, simple bar graph and multiple bar graph to demonstrate how to add or remove data points. Select this one, go to insert option and from here go to column or bar chart, select this one and from here I will select first option which is the clustered column chart, select this one. Now I will resize it. I will place it here. Now I will generate another graph which is the multiple bar graph. I will select all this data, go to insert option, again go to this bar or column chart and from here I will select clustered column chart to generate a multiple bar graph. I will resize it and place it here. Now currently you can see here I have data point from January to June. I want to include another data point. For example, I will write here July as well as August. I will enter data here 250, press enter. Now select this graph. Now you can see here I have selected this graph and you can see here a blue line around this data. It indicates that this data is used to generate this graph. Place your cursor at the corner of this blue line. Now you can see here a double arrow sign appeared here. Now I will drag it down to include another data sets. Now you can see here I have included July and August data in this graph. You can also repeat similar procedure for multiple bar graph. Now I will include data for location B. Press enter. Click on multiple bar graph. Now you can see here a blue line around this data. It indicates that this data is selected to generate this graph. Now I want to include July and August data. Place your cursor at the corner of this blue line. Now you can see here double arrow sign appeared here. I will drag it down to include other data sets. Now see the result. I have included July and August data in this graph. Now you will learn how to delete data points from existing graph. I will select this one. Here you will find the option of filter. Select this option after selecting this graph. From here you can deselect any data point. For example, in this case I will deselect February and June data. Click on apply. Now you can see here February and June data is excluded from our graph. I will again select this one by click on this box. Click on apply. Then you can see here February and June data is included in our graph. After doing that, click anywhere on your sheet. Now you can see here we have successfully deleted and included data point in Microsoft Excel graph. You can repeat similar procedure. Click on this graph. At the corner you will find the option of filter. Select this one. From here you can deselect any data point to delete that one. For example, I will deselect February and April. Click on apply. Now you can see here February and April data sets are excluded from our graph. I will again select this one and click on apply. Now you can see here these data points are included in our graph. I will click anywhere on this sheet and this option will removed from our graph. So by following this video, you can easily include or exclude data point in Microsoft Excel graph. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.